Welcome to the magical world of StarGlowKids. Are you ready to learn colors and fruits? Let's start the magic! One bright red balloon floating by, pop! A is for apple, it's red, red, red. Yummy, yummy apple. Look, a bright yellow balloon floating by, pop! B is for banana, it's yellow, yellow, yellow. Sweet, sweet banana. Look, a bright red balloon floating by, pop! C is for coconut, it's white, white, white. Cool, cool coconut. A bright brown balloon floating by, pop! D is for date, it's brown, brown, brown. Sweet, sweet date. Look, a bright green balloon floating by, pop! G is for guava, it's green, green, green. Yummy, yummy guava. Look, a bright bronze balloon floating by, pop! O is for orange, it's orange, orange, orange. Juicy, juicy orange. Look, a bright purple balloon floating by, pop! P is for plum, it's purple, purple, purple. Tasty, tasty plum. Look, a bright blue balloon floating by, pop! B is for blueberry, it's blue, blue, blue. Tiny, tasty blueberry. A bright pink balloon floating by, pop! P is for date, it's pink, pink, pink. Soft, fuzzy peach. Look, a bright red balloon floating by, pop! B is for blackberry, it's black, black, black. Yummy, yummy blackberry. Wow, we learned so many fruits today. Learning with StarGlowKids is so much fun. Remember to like and subscribe.